Welcome to MBBS Council. Medical Counseling Committee, which conducts counseling for all India quota medical seats for PG courses, did not announce the counseling schedule even though NEET PG results are announced 2 weeks back. In this video, we will see why there is a delay and what impact it will create on NEET MBBS admission counseling. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel now to get latest updates on NEET counseling. MCC conducts counseling for MBBS, postgraduate medical courses as well as super specialty courses. NEET PG counseling generally happens during April and NEET MBBS admission counseling happens during July. But this year, both NEET UG as well as PG counseling are likely to be conducted together as NEET UG as well as PG exams are over and candidates are waiting for admissions. If you want to know which course and college you have chance to get for your NEET rank, install MBBS Council Android app given in the description below to find it out. There are 2 entrance exams for postgraduate medical course admissions. One is conducted for institute of national importance such as AIIMS, JIPMER, etc. And another is conducted for all other medical colleges, which is called as NEET PG. There are 2 ways to study PG courses. One way is to participate in NEET PG counseling conducted by Medical Counseling Committee, and another way is to participate in DNB counseling conducted by National Board of Examinations. It is announced that starting from 2021, MCC will be conducting the counseling for both MDMS courses as well as DNB courses. This requires changes in the seat allotment software. As this notification came last minute, MCC did not get time to incorporate necessary changes to include DNB courses in the allotment. One of the major concerns is that many district government hospitals have DNB courses for which seats need to be distributed based on the respective state reservation policy where the hospital is located. MCC is in the process of implementing this new functionality on its seat allotment software. On October 5th, MCC announced DNB institutes and hospitals to enter their profile details and report the seat matrix to National Board of Examinations. 10 days have passed, but there is no announcement for counseling registration. Looks like NEET PG counseling will be further delayed because of this issue. Also, NEET UG counseling is about to begin. MCC will have to decide how to manage both counseling parallelly with shared resources and staffs. Most likely, both UG and PG counseling will be delayed because MCC needs to ensure that there is no overlap in the counseling schedule between the two. We need to wait and see whether MCC will conduct UG and PG counseling one after the another or conduct both counseling parallelly with very minimal overlap. This brings us to the end of this video. If you have any doubts regarding NEET admission counseling, comment below. See you in the next video.